Hello, I'm Sam.
I am Cameron, and
welcome to a very special episode of Freshen Friday.
Yes, guys, it is a Friday. We are here in the Union, and it's a really special episode because this week we have had Bonfire Night. Sam, let's head around the Union, meet the students of Loughborough, and see how they're getting on.
And remember, the 5th of November. It's Freshen Up Friday, so asking a few questions. Can you spell firework backwards, Sarah?
K-R-O-W-O-R-I-F. Is that right? K-R-O-W-E-R-I-K.
No, K.
K-R-O-W-E-R-I-F.
K-R-O-W-E-R-E-I-F.
What's the best room in the student union? Which one's your favourite?
Room 1.
Cogs.
No, room 1.
Cogs. Room 2.
Cogs! Unanimous decision. And when your favourite song comes on, what is the dance move you bust out? I want you to show me on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go! Which club is your favourite?
Fusion because it has old music, and Room 1 because it's just the best.
Perfect. Now guys, I want to see your best impressions of a firework.
Firework, are you ready, okay?
Well, no, let it go first.
Any firework you like.
Well, we set off a firework earlier in the middle of the... impression of a firework.
Go!
I've got a question for you. Why did you pick a mustard-coloured jumper?
Because I think it looks nice and it goes well with my skin tone.
We love it.
Yeah, Jake.
Thank you, I appreciate that, guys.